Hi guys, so this video is just to go over decimal place value. Fifth grade, I recognize the challenges. We have a lot of challenges with understanding what place value is, and so I just wanted to kind of review it. So in fourth grade, you learned about the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. You practiced the place value chart. You practiced placing numbers on the place value chart. For example, if you had 4 ones, you had 4 ones. I'm going to write the number here and I'm going to draw it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You knew that was equal to 4, just 4 things, right? And then you also learned that when you get a group of 10, you have to rebundle, right? So if we had 4 and we added 6 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we now have 10 here. So you know that we have to rebundle because it is a new digit. So basically you're going to send it next door and you have 1. So now we have 1 here and 0. So this is the number 10. So therefore you have 10 wholes, right? In fifth grade, we build on that learning by practicing going into decimal place value. So we have all of our holes on the left side of the place of the decimal. Here's your friendly decimal right here. And then on this side you have numbers that are less than 10. So it goes 1 tenths, hundredths, thousands. And in fifth grade we end at thousands. If you look at the pattern, tens, hundreds, thousands, you can kind of guess what place value is probably going to come after thousands. And the really unique thing with numbers is it never ends, guys. It just keeps going and going and going on both ends, right? So the numbers keep going this way. Remember when the number goes this way on a place value, they get smaller. The number just keeps getting smaller. And when numbers go this way, they get larger, right? So if you had 4, when we had 4 here, and then we multiply it by 10, we end up with 40, right? And then when you multiply that 40 by 10, you end up with 400. And kind of like the same pattern, right? You can multiply 400 by 100 and you'll end up with 40,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40,000. Okay? It's not always, it's multiplication is always the same here with the decimals, but the numbers get smaller. And so here we have the larger of the bunch, which is 4 tenths. Okay, and 4 tenths looks like this, 4.4. Then when you have hundreds, it actually, you have to have a placeholder because of the decimal. So it's actually 0.04. It's very important to make sure you put that 0 here. So when you go into thousands, you will have 0.004. So for part of your assignment, you're just going to practice putting numbers on the place value chart and recognizing and then putting them in order. So that's part of our assignment and what we're going to be doing with our place value. So for example, 4 tenths is greater than, so 4 tenths is greater than 4 hundredths, right? And 4 hundredths is greater than 4 thousandths. So that's another thing that we are going to practice. Alrighty, fifth grade mathematicians, you guys got this. Let me know if you have any questions and get on with it.